This is Quaid's second night with the easy button. We're going to see how he does. You remember what you did last night? Can you do it? Oh, yes. Good boy. Do it again. Good boy. 2 feet. Good boy. Oh, good boy. I think we're a little close. Good boy. You're very good.
That was easy.
Yeah. That little button's a treat dispenser. You're funny.
That was easy.
Good boy. Let's put it up. Oops.
That was easy.
Let's put it over there. Good boy. One more time.